Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Paula and this is my humble little corner of the internet, and here we do everything beauty, skincare, hair, hauls, makeup, reviews of any kind. If it is the kind of video you like to watch, I invite you to subscribe and stay join the family. And I'd like to say thank you so much for my returning supporters. I love you guys, appreciate you guys a bunch. So today's video, get excited because we're going to be trying on another electric toothbrush from Bitvae. I did the review of Bitvae on this channel before. They are one of my favorite toothbrush brand, and I'm gonna tell you guys all about it and why they are one of my favorite. One of the reasons that I love Bitvae is price that is friendly and the quality of the toothbrush or the oral care tools. So this toothbrush set here comes with 8 different replacement head, and this set here alone, that's under $30 if I'm not mistaken, can last you up to 2 years. What 2 years? 2 years. So it's amazing. And I do own a couple of different Bitvae toothbrush, and I use them, especially this one is one of my favorite. I'm gonna show you guys how everything comes in the box, and then I'm going to show you guys the toothbrush, and I'm going to film a little piece and put it on the side here. I'm using the toothbrush so you guys can see how it performs. It's amazing. I love it. And I'm going to tell you guys a little bit about the toothbrush. Before, I'm just going to unbox and show you guys everything that you get in this box here. The first thing you have here, you have a toothbrush on the travel case. This case is so beautiful and very helpful if you're traveling to carry your toothbrush. And this toothbrush actually comes with 8 different heads, and they do have different rim around the different heads. So in case you're traveling and you're sharing the handle with somebody, you actually can identify which one is using which color of the head placement. So this is the travel case here. You have the spot for you to put the toothbrush handle like this. I'm going to open 2 of the head placement of the toothbrush so I can show you guys what I was talking about. They have different color. Let's see if you're traveling with your boyfriend, your girlfriend, your partner, your wife, your husband, or whatever it is. Here you see they have 2 color. You have the light blue and the dark blue. So she can have the light blue, you can have the dark blue, and you guys can share the handle, which make it very travel friendly. So pretty much that's your toothbrush there. And this case is super beautiful, super sleek. And your toothbrush, it is charged by a USB cable, and one charge lasts you up to 30 days, which normal toothbrush lasts you like 10 days. So you get a whole month of one charge of your Bitvae toothbrush, which is great. So in the box you also get here your user manual that's going to show you how to use your Bitvae toothbrush. Alright, and you get this little scannable code here that you can register and unlock benefits. You have the hassle-free return period extend of 1 year. What, you can return this for 1 year. You have free 1 year extend warranty, get a discount benefit for Bitvae product, and get a free trial opportunity for a new product. Wow, this is really nice. And here they show you all the line of product that Bitvae offer. This toothbrush actually clean your teeth. This toothbrush actually cleans your teeth way better than a regular toothbrush, and this actually remove up to 400% more plaque than the regular toothbrush. You do have like 5 different modes here. You have a clean mode, sensitive mode, whitening mode, gum care mode, that's like a massage your gum, and the tongue cleanser mode. So you have all these modes on your Bitvae toothbrush. And inadequate cleansing actually can lead up to flakes on your teeth, residue left behind, bad breath, and more oral problems that you can have for using, you know, a not good enough toothbrush. So this one definitely is going to save you from all that problem. I love the design, it's sleek, and you do have different colors that you can choose from on Bitvae website. I'm going to drop Bitvae info on the description of this video if you guys decide to give them a try. And if I have a discount code, it's going to be here when I be editing, or also it's going to be on the description of this video. Let me know in the comment below if you ever try any product from Bitvae, and if you did, which one of them is your favorite. I try a few different products from them, but this one actually is my everyday toothbrush. That's the one that I use because I love how fresh and clean it leaves my mouth. And also she is waterproof, so you can use her in the shower, or you can truly clean her without worrying about. So that is a great point too. The Bitvae R2 Daily Rotary Electric Toothbrush actually removes plaques 400% more than the manual toothbrush, thanks to the motor windmill design and arc cut bristles. If you see the bristles, they have two different shade bristles, different lengths, which help not only clean your teeth but clean your gum too. The Daily R2 rotary toothbrush also have this sensor here. That's a pressure sensor that when you put too much pressure on your teeth, it actually lights up red. Put too much pressure on your gum, they turn red, indicate to you that you are overdoing or you can hurt your gum. This is great because it's going to take care of your gum and you're not going to overdo. You don't have to worry about damage your gum anymore. So this is a great investment. Like I say, the price definitely is a selling point for me. That is amazing for 2 years worth of a toothbrush and warranty too. So if you're thinking about upgrading your toothbrush, don't think twice. Don't walk, run to get the Bitvae R2 Daily Rotary Toothbrush. I'm gonna have all the info for Bitvae on the description of this video, discount code. And thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.